Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get off Instacart waitlist. First, open Instacart application on your device, then log into your account, and here you will find your profile icon. Click on it. Then from here you just need to click on this help button. Here it is, and click on it. Now it will redirect you to the Instacart help center, and from here you can just scroll a little down. You can find at the bottom of this page a number that you can contact an agent of Instacart, and you can talk about to get off to Instacart waitlist. And also you can click on the get help button. Here you will find it at the bottom of this page, and after clicking on it you can select all of these that uh, just because of waitlist is related to my account, then we should click on my account, and here click on account information. Then you just need to click on I still need help. Just because of getting these two options, one is call with them and chat with them, you just need to click on chat with them. If you need immediate help from agent of Instacart, then you just need to click on it, and from here you just need to select one of these. Here is my order, my Instacart Plus membership, my account, and many more options available in this section. You just need to scroll down from here, scroll a little bit down from here, and select other. After selecting it, click next, and then you can chat with a Instacart agent, and you can see uh, a chatbot has welcomed us on this conversation, and you just need to type on that I want to cancel waitlist in my account. As you can see, the agent of the Instacart has connected with me, and it's first to serve you their services. Then you can simply send this message and talk with them and about to get off to your waitlist in your account. They can ask you for any type of information or any type of question, or they can verify you. You might go through a verification process by this agent. Then the agent may help you out from this type of hassle. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.